Iya, pemirsa, apa kabar Anda? Diplomasi hadir kembali lagi bersama saya Adam Lubis. Dan di episode Diplomasi kali ini, saya akan mengajak Anda untuk mengenal lebih dekat dengan negara tetangga kita, yaitu Filipina. Dan saat ini saya akan mengajak berbincang-bincang Duta Besar Filipina untuk Indonesia, yaitu Your Excellency, Mr. Lee Hyong Wee. Your Excellency, nice to meeting you.
Yeah,
Okay, so talk about the Indonesia. Okay. Do you enjoy staying in Jakarta, in Indonesia, Your Excellency?
Yeah, in the last 7 months that I've been here, I enjoyed Indonesia, especially Jakarta, immensely.
Okay.
In fact, in the last 7 months, I've been to many more places than I think you have been. I've been to Manado, Port Bitung, Palu, Semarang, Yogyakarta, Aceh, Lampung. I enjoyed the place very much.
Okay, I hear you also go to the Semarang. It's very interesting that you are interesting with the Indonesian herbs. We call it jamu.
Yeah,
Okay. How do you think about the herbs in Indonesia?
The jamu in Indonesia, I think, is one of the best in the world.
Really?
In
Wow,
fact,
thank you.
Tolak angin is now used in the Philippines.
Okay.
I also use the tolak angin since I went to see the factory.
Okay.
And I think it's one of the greatest medicine, no, to prevent diseases.
Okay, okay. So talk about the Jakarta. Okay, how do you think with the Jakarta citizen, Indonesian peoples? Okay, how do you think about Indonesian people?
Indonesian people are hardworking. I think they are disciplined.
Okay.
And they can be good partners for business.
Okay. Okay, how about the traffic jam? I think most of the capital city in the world, okay, including the Jakarta, we're facing these problems about the traffic jam. Okay, do you have an experience about the traffic jam in Jakarta?
Yes, first time I came here, I saw that the traffic jam in Jakarta, it's not different from what we have in Manila.
Okay.
Yeah, but the good part about here is that we see a lot of improvements, development to control the traffic in the next few years. I think Jakarta in the next few years with the MRT, with the bus system, which is very good, the traffic, I think, can be reduced by about 50%.
Okay, hopefully, okay.
Yeah,
in the future, we can solve the traffic jam problems in Jakarta. Okay, Your Excellency, talk about the similarity culture between the Philippines and Indonesia. Okay, we have a neighboring. Okay, we are neighborings. Okay, maybe you can explain about the similarity between the Philippines and Indonesia. For example, your clothes, you're wearing the clothes. I think in Indonesia we call it batik.
Yeah.
How about in Philippines?
Yeah, this is Barong Batik, no, which is a fusion between Barong Tagalog in the Philippines with the pineapple cloth, no, and the batik design of Indonesia. And when I wear this in many of the reception, people really say that, wow, that's nice.
Iya, pemirsa bicara mengenai banyak sekali persamaan antara Filipina dan juga Indonesia, termasuk batik. Dalam hal berpakaian begitu. Tadi dijelaskan oleh Duta Besar Filipina untuk Indonesia, Mr. Lee Hyong Wee, bahwa di Filipina juga dikenal batik begitu. Ini merupakan fusion atau perpaduan antara batik Filipina dan juga Indonesia. Dibuat dari serat nanas, pineapple, right?
Yeah.
Pineapple fiber. Yes.
Yeah.
Oke. Ya, tidak jauh berbeda dengan Indonesia. Tapi kita juga ingin mengetahui bagaimana dengan kuliner di Filipina dan juga di Indonesia. Talk about the cuisines, Your Excellency.
There are many food, I think, that are similar, no?
Okay, yes.
The way you cook, except that there are some places in the Philippines that are also spicy. Sambal. But I think other than that, we have fish, chicken, satay in the Philippines. Yeah, and now we're coming to have halal food in the Philippines to be able to cater to tourists from Indonesia.
How to attract the Indonesian tourists? Do you have any recommendation for cuisines? Okay, what the Filipino foods do you have a recommend for Indonesian people?
Yeah, we have several Indonesian restaurants in Manila.
Okay.
We have also in Davao, and now in the other tourist spot, Indonesian food is becoming more and more popular in the
Okay.
Philippines.
Okay.
I think this will be one of the attractions for Indonesian tourists to come to the Philippines.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Talk about the food. Okay. Which one is your favorite food in Indonesia? Okay.
Well, here I like your satay.
Satay. Okay.
Yeah, I like your rendang.
Rendang. Okay.
Yeah, and there are other. I like your vegetable here. No, you have very
Okay.
good vegetable and very good fruits. Huh?
Okay. Vegetable. How about gado-gado? Do you
Yeah,
ever taste
gado-gado.
gado-gado? Okay, it's an Indonesian salad, right?
Yeah, we have the similar gado-gado in the Philippines. Huh?
Okay, okay, okay. Talk about the food, okay, cuisines. We talk about the cultural. Okay, beside the clothes. Okay, which one the culture is a very similar. Beside the Philippines and Indonesia.
In the Mindanao and in the Muslim parts of the Philippines, we have dances that are similar to the Indonesian dances.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Even I think songs. No, we have singers that come to Indonesia, like you did mention Christian Bautista.
Oke.
Yeah.
Oke, ya bicara mengenai singer, penyanyi Filipina ini juga banyak terkenal di Indonesia. Salah satunya tadi sudah disebutkan oleh duta besar, yaitu ada Christian Bautista dan juga yang tidak kalah terkenalnya, kita tahu sosok Maribeth.
Yeah.
Denpasarmun. Do you ever hear the Denpasarmun song, Your Excellency?
No, I must have heard of it, but I don't know the title.
Yeah. It's very famous in Indonesia. Denpasarmun. Do you hear another song sing by the Philippine singer? Another song, Indonesian maybe, or the plays that sing.
No, I have not experienced that. In the last 7 months, it has always been work for me. And going to places.
Okay.
Yeah, probably in the next few months, no?
Okay.
I should be able to see some of the songs, some of the dances.
Iya. Pemirsa, kita akan masih membahas bagaimana hubungan Indonesia dan juga Filipina lebih dekat lagi di segmen berikutnya. Jangan kemana-mana, Diplomasi akan kembali. Tetap bersama kami.